Good morning, y'all. It's Frank here from Eastern U.S. Bushcraft and Survival, and it's Tuesday, July 30th. It's right around 10 a.m. I'm getting ready to. I'm on vacation until Thursday, and I just got back from the shore, and I'm getting ready to do a midweek camp out. I'm heading into the woods right now. I'm right on the edge of the woods where I came in. There's a convenience store right there. That's where I came in at, and that's where I'm heading back. I'm gonna go back to my bug out camp. It's the first time I've been back here since I did my, I gotta watch where I'm going, since I did like my last camp out, and I'm gonna go back here and hopefully everything will be good and nobody disturbed it. I'll be able to set up and camp out there tonight. It's gonna be really hot today. 95 is gonna be the high, so I'm gonna try and get back here and get set up before it gets too hot. Fresh fox den, right on the edge of the woods. It's crazy, they got this big deep woods and they're gonna dig in right here on the edge. They're not really afraid of people. Pretty warm out here already. It's about 86, I think. Actually 85. I just checked the weather. '85 at 10 a.m. So you know it's going to be a hot one. But it shouldn't be as bad back here. I mean, the humidity is going to be high today, so that might be an issue. But in a hammock, it's one of the few times when convection can work in your favor. I like sleeping in a hammock in the summer when it's extremely hot, because with no underquilt or anything, because the air circulating around you keeps you very cool. The first time I've camped out during the week since I was a kid. Usually working. So I'm hoping maybe it'll be nobody back here on the four-wheelers. I don't know. They where I go, they don't seem to be going in there anyway, because the ticks are pretty bad this year. Heard something splash. Probably just a frog. See the fish. I don't know if you guys seen that or not. There was a fish swimming. Little one. But he was still a fish. Beginning of the season, you know, spring, you can get a lot of good fiddleheads out of here. I actually see a couple right now. Or not, nah, they're just wilted. But yeah, you can get fiddleheads here in, you know, beginning of the season. There's a lot of edibles, wild edibles here in Delaware. You have cattail, fiddlehead fern, obviously, scallions, dandelions, violet. There's too many to list. There's a lot. I'm still paralleling the road right now. Excuse me. And I'll be walking away from the road towards my camp here in about another 1/8 of a mile, I guess. The road's right over that way. About 100 yards, maybe 150 yards. Maybe a little further, 200 yards. I'm sure you can hear it. Busy work day, Tuesday. There's going to probably be a lot of traffic noise. It shouldn't be as bad in my camp though. I'm further away, a lot further away from the road than I am here. I'm about a mile and a half, a mile and a quarter, a mile and a half from the nearest road. Nice little pocket. That would be a nice place to cool off if it wasn't for pollution. You can see there's trash everywhere. It's a shame, but it's the way it is. Definitely have to boil that water before you drink it, because it's coming through a couple of housing neighborhoods and in between two businesses up there on the road. I'm starting to head away from the road now. It's behind me. Follow the stream. You got it pretty torn up back here with these four-wheelers, but it doesn't look like anything fresh. So maybe they haven't been back here recently. I was gone from Saturday until yesterday down at the Delaware shore. Went camping in a campground with my wife, my fiance wife. Been together forever. So she's my wife. But anyway, yeah, we went camping and did the car thing. I'll show you. I got some footage of that. All right, so I'm heading in away from the road now. It's pretty warm out here already. No sign of ATVers going through here. Not in a while anyway. A huge spider web in the face. I have this big stick, but I didn't get it, I guess. Or I don't, not that I guess, I know I didn't get it because it went across my face. There's a lot of spider webs back here, and it's stiflingly hot back here as well. I just got another one in my face. Yeah. Sorry about that, I dropped the camera trying to get the webs off of my face. I almost dropped it. I caught it before it hit the ground. A lot of webs back here. It's pretty thick. It doesn't look like anybody's been back in here for a while. I got it. I'm gonna have to shut you guys off because I need both hands for this. It's just too thick. It's extremely hot. I'm back. This is where my stealth camp was last time. Nobody's been riding through here for sure, as you can see. That's the way to the camp that way, and nobody's ridden through there in a while. It's almost 10:30. I'm coming up on my site right now. The bug out camp. It is so freaking hot out here, it's ridiculous. Doesn't look like anybody's been down here. Now I still see my ridge line, so that's a good thing. Site's still nice and clear. A lot of firewood, so I shouldn't need to get a whole lot. That's, I don't know if you can see that clearing out there. That's where the it's a dirt road, but it's not for cars. It's pretty tough terrain actually, unless you got a four-wheeler or a motorcycle. But that's where the people walk and ride. But it's going to be 95 degrees today, so I don't think there's going to be a lot of people walking. And anybody that's riding is not going to be worried about coming back here, so I think I'll be pretty well hidden. But I have my camo screen that I'm going to run across here just to give me a little more concealment. And it is freaking hot. There's a nice cool breeze coming at me right now though. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what's in between me and that in a minute. I'm gonna drop my pack though. I need to put this thing down.